Hi, my name is Maisha, Plentiful Hair Studio, and Plentiful Hair Studio is a hair loss practice that specializes in hair loss solutions for those suffering from thinning hair and hair loss. We've been having a lot of consultations lately, which I love. I love a consultation because it gives the client an opportunity to talk and address any questions or concerns they may have. But sometimes during the consultation, there is a little confusion on exactly what non-surgical hair replacement is. So I wanted to make this video to quickly go over some of the hair loss solutions that we offer at Plentiful Hair Studio. One thing that I ask all the time is, do you want to wake up with hair? When you tell me you do not want to wake up with hair, it's not a big deal. You're looking for something to lay on the dresser at night, to take off at night, you want your scalp to breathe, you don't really need to wear a hairpiece all day, then of course, I would recommend a wig or a topper. A wig or a topper can be worn, and of course, it can be applied for a slightly extended wear attachment, maybe for a few days, up to 2 weeks, but a wig, no matter how you attach it in the front, is still not an extended wear attachment. If you decide, hey, listen, I want to wake up with hair, there are several options that we can give so that you can have that experience. Number one service that we offer is mesh integration. Mesh integration is a service where it's completely customizable. We create a mesh base and apply a small cranial prosthesis that can be sewn onto that mesh. There are no braids involved. It is a very breathable solution. It's customizable. You can have a piece very, very small, and you can have a full head. I love this option. There are so many different ways that you can do a mesh integration. Clients love it. It is a really nice, low commitment extended wear attachment. Another extended wear attachment that we offer is the Hairdreams Microlines. The Hairdreams Microlines is another integration method in which there is a bonding ring, though, that your hair is looped around. It's very similar to the mesh integration, but it's just one piece. It's customizable. You can get a totally customized hairpiece from Hairdreams. However, for the most part, it's pretty much a topper on the top of the head. Sometimes we can combine this with hair extensions. We can combine it with I-tips, K-tips, beaded weft extension tapes. You can combine that with any service as far as that goes as well. Another service that we offer is called the extended wear topper. The extended wear topper is an excellent solution because it's very similar to like the Hairdreams Microlines, but we apply this topper with tiny micro beads. This topper comes average 14 inches, a multitude of colors, and it is human hair. It is also a great option. What I like about this one, it does have a prosthetic scalp. Also, when we get into other extended wear attachments, we can get into bonding. There are several types of bonding. There's bonding where you have a minimal amount of hair and we have to remove this hair and apply a cranial prosthesis. Often our guests who get this service are looking for shorter systems to mid-list systems. It's very similar to how you do a men's cranial prosthesis and men's non-surgical hair replacement, where we do adhere a hairpiece on top using either a medical grade tape or adhesive or both. The next service we offer is brilliant bonding, which is a form of long hair bonding. I love long hair bonding. It is our top service here because it requires you to remove no biological hair. You can apply this hair system on top of your biological hair with an adhesive that is safe to use in the hair. It's an easy maintenance, it's an easy takedown, and it's an easy reinstallation. Guests are always very, very excited about, wow, I thought that once I took this off, I would have less hair. They normally have the same amount of hair that they had when they applied the system. I would say out of all my services that we offer, the bonding services are the ones where clients feel as if, like I got my life back. I totally got my life back. And everything we can provide, every service customizable, meaning you have a custom hairpiece designed for you. That is always going to be the best option. Of course, there are stock pieces or semi-custom pieces, but when it comes to wearing alternative hair and pursuing your confidence, the best option will always be to get a custom hairpiece. It will always be the best option, especially if you are looking for any form of blended hair pieces and you have textured hair. As you know, the textured hair community is very vast and there are massive amounts of textures that we can create as far as hair systems go. However, when it comes to stock pieces, there's a discrepancy in the availability of every form of hair texture, especially for textured pieces. So the best option would always be custom. So this is just a quick overview of some of the hair pieces that we provide at Plentiful Hair Studio. We can customize and mix and match different types of hair pieces, but your best option would be to schedule a consultation to find out which is the best option for you. So please visit www.plentifulhairstudio.com and let me know.